नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Are you all surprised to see the video like this? Yeah, today I'm going to take like this, okay? If you have any suggestion regarding this, you can text me or call me, okay? After this session, you have to tell me whether you like this video or not, or the previous style what ma'am has taken now, like pasting the showing the picture and taking like that you like, or this one you like, you say to me after this session, okay ma? Okay, take your textbook. Today because of you I am going to take this new third lesson, okay? I thought to skip this lesson, but you want this lesson now, so I am thinking to like this lesson, okay? This one I prepared for 25/11 because of that leave. We have to change this one, right? So you write 27, okay? 27/11 2020, 27/11 2020, not Budhavar. Don't write Budhavar, okay? Write Shukravar, okay? Shukravar, right there, Shukravar. Okay, then see this, the title of the lesson, Madhumakkiyam Gayi Hattal Par. Madhumakkiyam Gayi Hattal Par. What is the meaning of that? Madhumakkya means bees. Gayi means went. Hattal means strike. So Madhumakkya bees went for strike. Okay, what is the for what they went for strike? Is Madhubaki can go for strike like that? Okay, let us see in this lesson. Okay ma, from here only the lesson starting. Listen carefully. घबराए हुए गिल्लू फालू ने घर में घुसते ही टीवी पर समाचार लगाया और घर के सभी लोगों को आवाज़ लगाई. घबराए हुए गिल्लू फालू. घबराए means afraid. घबराए afraid. Gillu falu. Falu means bear. You have learned previous class year and all. Isn't it? Falu means bear. So one bear is there in this lesson. That bear name is Gillu. He was afraid and coming. For what he is afraid in? Ne ghar mein. In the house he is afraid and coming. Khuste hi, by entering. Khuste means by entering. टीवी पर समाचार लगाया. समाचार न्यूज़, NEWS न्यूज़. नोट डाउन द मीनिंग्स माय डियर किड्स. समाचार लगाया. समाचार लगाया means news. So while he was afraid and he was outside, so by something he heard and he was fearing and coming inside the home. By entering the home itself, he was putting the TV and there he was putting what? News. और घर के सभी लोगों को आवाज़ लगाई. Then what he is doing after putting the news, he is calling all the members in the home. He is calling all the आवाज़ लगाना to call. So सभी लोगों, all the people. So he is calling all the people in the home. सभी लोग दौड़े दौड़े आए. Everyone came by running and all. और टकटकी लगाकर समाचार देखने लगे. Then everyone started seeing the news. Everyone started seeing the news. Then next page. समाचार में रिपोर्टर खरगोश कह रहा था, प्यारे दर्शकों, आज हम आपको एक बेहद चौंका देने वाली खबर सुनाने जा रहे हैं. What they have told, समाचार में reporter. Reporter means you can see in the news and all. Those who is reporting the news from one place, they will be in one place and what and all happening in that place, they will report to the news reader. That is only reporter. So reporter Khargosh. Who is the reporter here? Khargosh. Khargosh who? Rabbit. Rabbit. कह रहा था, प्यारे दर्शकों, रियल डियर व्यूवर्स. दर्शकों, व्यूवर्स. VIEWERS, व्यूवर्स. आज हम आपको एक बेहद चौंका देने वाली खबर सुनाने जा रहे हैं. प्यारे ददन, the reporter Rabbit is telling, dear viewers, today we are going to show you an extremely shocking news. Today we are going to show you one extremely shocking news. What is that shocking news? Let us see, okay? So, बेहद means extremely. चाऊंगा देने वाला shocking. Okay, so Dear viewers, today we are going to show you an extremely shocking news. पता चला है कि चंबक वन की सफ़ी मधुमक्खियाँ हड़ताल पर चली गई हैं. We heard that all the bees in the Chambak Van, the name of forest is Chambak Van. Van means forest. Van means forest. So the name of the forest is Chambak. So all the bees which is there in the Chambak Van, they went for Hattal. Hattal what we learned, the title itself, Hattal means strike. दूसरे वनों की मधुमक्खियाँ भी उनके साथ देने के लिए जगह जगह रैलियाँ निकाल रही हैं. Then other only one, not only one forest, other forest bees also, they also came for this Railia means rallies means march and for strike and all, they will keep like a flag and all, and they will go for strike on the road, that one rallies, marching. So other forest bees also, they also came for this strike. They also started doing rallies and all. क्यों? Why? किस लिए? For what? That reporter is telling this one, that we heard that all the bees have started strike in the Chambak Van. Not only in the Chambak Van, other forest also the bees started doing these rallies and all. Then what? For what? For why they are doing like that? आपको इन सभी सवालों का जवाब देंगे हम. Then they are telling that for these questions and you need the answer now. For these questions you want the answer, for that we will give the answer for all these questions. but इस छोटे से अंतराल के बाद, अंतराल means interval, 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 ना सवालों का जवाब देंगे हम, पर इस छोटे से अंतराल के बाद. when they will give the answer of these questions? After the interval, after the break, we will tell in the news and all, so many break will be there. So that reporter is telling, after this break we will say why they are keeping strike and for what they are keeping strike. Okay, तब तक कहीं मत जाइए. हाँ, they will tell ना, don't go from here, keep in touch with our channel, like that they will tell ना. So here this reporter rabbit also telling, तब तक कहीं मत जाएगा. Then till that, when we will come and tell the answer for these questions and all, don't go anywhere else. हड़ताल की पल पल की खबर आप तक पहुंच जाएगा. This हड़ताल, this strikes, each and every second's news. खबर means news. It will reach to you. आपका अपना खबर channel. What is the name of the channel? Khabar. Khabar means Khabar means news. Okay, news channel. That Khabar, you can see in that it is written, that channel name Khabar. See, this is the Khabar channel. Name of, we will say now, like Sun TV, like that, and also many channels are there, like that, Chutti TV, news channel also, so many Sun News, like that. This is Khabar news, Khabar channel. Okay, from that only this rabbit is telling everything. So he is telling that we will tell the answers for these questions and all. After the break, you don't go from here. We will say the each and every seconds news of this strike. We will tell. You don't go. आपका अपना खबर channel. This is your खबर channel. Like that it is telling. Then now it's interval time. Okay, so मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा पापा, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा पापा, हमेशा काम में व्यस्त रहने वाली इन मधुमक्खियों को क्या हो गया है? ये सभी अचानक हड़ताल पर क्यों चली गई हैं? अंतराल आते ही गिल्लू की बहन मिनी ने पापा से पूछा. गिल्लू हैविंग वन सिस्टर, बहन मीन सिस्टर. गिल्लू's sister name is Minnie. She is asking to his father, her father. So who and all is there in that? Gillu is there, Gillu's sister Minnie is there, and also Gillu and Minnie's papa is there. So that Minnie is asking to his father, her father, what she is asking? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा पापा, I can't understand पापा. What she can't understand? हमेशा means always. काम में व्यस्त रहने वाली इन मधुमक्खियों को क्या हो गया है, what happened this for this bees and all, they are all everywhere, every time they will be busy, always busy. West means busy, they will be always busy. Then what happened to these bees and all, why they are keeping this हड़ताल, ये सभी अचानक हड़ताल पर क्यों चली गई हैं, suddenly why they went for हड़ताल, like that this Minnie is asking to her father why they went for हड़ताल, always they will be busy now, like that she is telling. Then what happened, टर्न द पेज माय डियर किड्स. पापा बोले मैं भी यही सोच रहा हूँ मिनी बेटा, आगे के समाचार देखकर ही कारण पता चल जाएगा. तभी बाहर से आता शोर सुनकर सब बालकनी की ओर भागे. व्हाट हैपन, पापा देन पापा इज रिप्लाइंग दैट मैं भी यही सोच रहा हूँ मिनी बेटा, दिस आई एम ऑल्सो थिंकिंग द सेम ओनली माय डियर. आगे के समाचार देखकर ही कारण पता चल पाएगा. विल नो द रीजन आफ्टर व्हाट, after this news will start, after only we can know the remaining what is the reason. So after आगे के समाचार देखकर ही कारण पता चल पाएगा, after seeing the remaining news only we can know the reason. कारण means reason. तभी बाहर से आता शोर, then that time what happening, they are hearing some noise from outside. शोर means noise, some noise they heard. सब बालकनी की ओर भागे. By hearing that they went, everyone they went outside in the balcony. So when papa is telling that I also can't understand what they are why they are putting hattal and all. So after the news, after seeing the remaining news only we can understand what is the reason. So while telling that one, they have hear some noise outside and they are all coming outside for seeing something, isn't it? They all coming outside in the balcony. Then बाहर सामने के पेड़ पर इकट्ठा होकर सभी मधुमक्खियाँ बड़े जोर शोर से नारे लगा रही हैं. What they are seeing, see so many मधुमक्खियाँ, so many bees are they are standing together and they are making नारे means slogans, they are keeping slogans, they are telling something in very big noise, the slogans and all. यह देखकर सभी सोच में पड़ गए कि आखिर ऐसा हुआ क्या है. Then after seeing that, then everyone are thinking that what happened, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. What, we can't understand what is the reason why they are keeping this हड़ताल and all, we can't understand, like that everyone are thinking. आगे के समाचार सुनने के लिए सभी वापस अंदर कमरे में चले गए. Then what happened, they want to know the reason, so they want to see the remaining news. So they went outside to see the, सभी वापस अंदर कमरे में चले गए. They went back, वापस वे back, they went back inside the room to see what is in the news, what is in the remaining this news. They want to know, आगे के समाचार सुनने के लिए सभी वापस अंदर कमरे में चले गए. They all went back to see the remaining news. The next page you can see in the picture some, this is rabbit, right? This is all the bees and all. He is asking something. See here, समाचार में मधु रानी का साक्षात्कार चल रहा है. When they came back, they are seeing that the queen of that bee, she has some interview in there. She is speaking there. Interview, साक्षात्कार means interview. So she is speaking there. So रानी जी, मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आप अपनी प्रजा के साथ यूँ अचानक हड़ताल पर क्यों चली गई हैं. What happened रानी जी, why you all went for हड़ताल, like that खरगोश is asking. What happened रानी जी, why you all together suddenly went for हड़ताल. रिपोर्टर खरगोश ने रानी मधु से पहला सवाल किया. This is the first question he was asking to that रानी. He was first asking to रानी, this is the first question, why you all went for हड़ताल. मनुष्यों के कारण, because of this human beings only, she is telling, because of this human beings only. रानी मधु ने उत्तर दिया. She told the answer like मनुष्यों के कारण, because of this people only, like that she is telling. मनुष्यों के कारण, ये क्या कह रही हैं आप. What you are telling dear, what you are telling, मनुष्यों के कारण ये क्या कह रही हैं आप. What you are telling. रिपोर्टर खरगोश ने हैरान होकर पूछा. That time खरगोश was excited, खरगोश was astonished that what he is telling, because of the human beings. What the human beings did, why they, because of what they have done, they have started doing this हड़ताल. जी हाँ, हम उनसे पूछना चाहते हैं कि जब हम उनकी इतनी अच्छी दोस्त हैं तो वे हमारे दुश्मन क्यों बने हुए हैं. दैट दे आर टेलिंग, या दे आर ओनली, हम उनसे पूछना चाहती हैं कि वी वॉन्ट टू आस्क दम व्हाट दे वॉन्ट टू आस्क. जब हम उनकी इतनी अच्छी दोस्त हैं, वी आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स ऑफ दम, वी आर द गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ दम, दोस्त मीन्स फ्रेंड, तो वे हमारे दुश्मन क्यों बने हुए हैं. So we are the friends, best good friends of them. अच्छी दोस्त means good friend. We are the good friends of them. Then why they are the enemy of us? Enemy means दुश्मन, enemy. ENEMY, FRIEND, दोस्त friend. दुश्मन enemy. So we are the best friend of good friend of them. Why they are the enemy of us? Is the honeybee is our friend? How can it be our friend, right? They will prick with us there with their stings and all. It will be very painful, right? So we are so afraid of that honeybees, right? But here they are telling that they are our friends. How, why they are telling like this, we will study in the next class. Okay ma? So this much is enough for today. Read the lesson, read it, record it and send it to me, at least one para. Okay ma, come improve your reading my dear kids. So this way of teaching you like means you tell to me. Okay, so hereafter if you want this type of videos means don't hesitate to tell me, or the previous style if you like means that also you can tell. If you like or not like, both you have to tell to me. Okay, okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.